If we talk about the kids-related faceless channel, jokes and riddles are both solid ideas for kids. Jokes are funny and entertaining, so they can go viral quickly, but there is a risk of repeating them often. On the other hand, riddles are educational and engaging, helping kids develop their thinking, but not all kids may understand them. So, if you want to create an interactive and education channel, use riddles, and if you want a fun and entertaining channel, focus on jokes. And you can also mix both to create diverse and engaging content. So today I am going to focus on jokes. So I'll show you how you can create funny and engaging jokes script and turn them into interesting videos. So let's get started. So first we need a solid script. So for this I'll go to GPT and use this prompt. Write a script for a kids jokes video featuring two animated characters, a dog named Leo and a penguin named Tiwi. Include scenes, details and dialogues. So as you can see, I now have a complete joke script with scenes. The next part is the voiceover. So for the voiceover, today I'm using 11 labs. On this website, I'll first select a voice from our first character, the dog named Leo. So I'll copy and paste Leo's dialogues one by one, leaving spaces between them so it's easier to trim the audio during editing. And when the entire script is ready, I'll just simply click on Generate Speech here to create the audio and then download it from here. And using the same process, I'll select a different voice for the other character and generate its voiceover. So now that my script and voiceover are ready, it's time for animation. So as you all know, that animation can be very difficult, but the method I'm going to show you is very simple. You don't need to create any animations yourself. So I'm talking about using Adobe Express for animation. So after going to their website, just click on Create Now. This will take us to a page where you can see characters on the right side. So you can animate with all of these characters. In the categories, you find all kinds of characters. My script has two animal characters, so I'll go to the animals category, select the dog character and adjust its size. And I'll set the background to green. Click on the background and you'll see many options, but we'll select green to avoid any issues during editing later. And now click on Browse to select your voice file. Once your animation is ready, just simply download it from here. And in the same way, we'll animate our second character. My second character is a penguin, so I'll select the penguin, adjust the size, and then go to Replace Audio to Browse and select my penguin's voice. So once the animation is ready, we'll download it too. Additionally, we need two files of the dog and penguin in silent mode, where they are still animating, like blinking their eyes. So for this, I'll animate both characters with a silent audio file as well. And now our final step is editing. So you can use any editing tool, but today I'm using Filmora. So first we'll import all our files. Next, we'll set the voiceover. For this, I'll trim and adjust the audio dialogue files. For example, if the first dialogue is from the dog, I'll trim it and add the dog's first part. Then trim and add the penguin's first dialogue after that. I'll continue to trim and adjust both voices dialogue-wise. And the next step is to set the background. So I'll check GPT to see what type of background was suggested for the first scene. For example, GPT suggested a jungle background for the first scene. So I'll just simply download the jungle image from any website, which is easy to find. And to make it look more lively, we can add small elements like birds. I'll search for birds in the stickers section and adjust the one that fits the background. These stickers can be easily found in any editing tool like Canva or CapCut. So my first background is ready. Now I'll check the idea GPT provided for the second scene. So if you don't like the idea, you can add a different background. So I found this background suitable. So I'll add the fishes and a bit of water element to enhance it. So I have a total of 3 backgrounds and I prepared all of them. So next we'll adjust our characters. So first we'll take the character with the dialogue. So my first character is the dog. So I'll use the dog's video. Remove the green background using chroma key and adjust the size and set it up. So I want the dog's face to be on the right side. So I'll just simply flip it. I'll trim and adjust the character to match the voiceover. So once the dialogue speaking dog is ready, I'll also set the silent dog for the remaining spaces in between. So now that my first character is adjusted, I'll do the same for the penguin's character. So once both characters are ready, we'll add some background music and sound effects. For example, where I added birds, I'll also add bird sound effect. And after adding all the sound effects, I'll export the video. So let's see the final result.
Hey, Timmy, why did the banana go to the doctor?
I don't know, Leo. Why?
Because it wasn't peeling well.
Hey, Leo, what do you call a snowman in the summer?
I'm not sure. What?
A puddle.
Okay, one last joke, Timmy. Why don't oysters share their pearls?
I give up. Why don't they?
Because they are shellfish. Thanks for joining us, kids. See you next time.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Laugh Out Loud Kids for more laughs every week.
So you can also create funny and engaging videos this way. Kids really enjoy jokes, and if you follow this process, your video will definitely be a hit. Remember, creativity and consistency are key. So if you like this video, let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to see next. See you in the next video. Until then, happy creating.